This is centering the ejection nozzle for our molding machine. Here's the barrel, and then here's some damage that we had from the tip for the nozzle not being centered, and you can see where it depressed it into the mold. And then here's a picture of the barrel without the nozzle in it, and then here's where it's supposed to mate up, right in the center.
All right, so our problem is that tip is not centered in the ring. It's off by approximately 1/8 of an inch. It's really, really tough to tell. We're off by approximately 1/8 of an inch towards my finger. So we need to go that way approximately 1/8 of an inch. And we're going to talk about how to adjust the nozzle according to the Maruka guys. All right, where's our cheater? Oh, okay, so once we got it forward, these two guides right here, there's one on each side. We have to, this split ring right here, we have to loosen this up, and I'm not sure if we have to loosen all four or just a couple of them, but we have to loosen it up, and we have to turn this 1/4 turn. We don't know which way because it's really variable based upon it. And these two rods do the centering adjustment for the entire head down through there. And so this cannon barrel is just floating out here on this gantry back behind. This gantry that the glasses are sitting on slides all the way backwards and forward. And we're going to show a little bit of that. But right now I'm going to try to loosen this guy up. Oh yeah, cheater works. So we want to know where we are, and we want to know where we're going to go. Hey, over on the other side, Dimitri, is a red marker, permanent marker laying on a table there or something. Can you grab that, please? All right, we're just going to loosen all four up here. Oh my gosh. Wow, Congress needs to vote on this. All right. Oh, maybe it's on the plastic down there. Get it right here. So my thought is we're going to put a mark on this guy. We could use a piece of tape too. We just want to know where we are and how much we're going to move.
Yeah, Kevin, I'm not seeing it.
See underneath the injection molding machine, that piece of plastic. Is it in there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I took it over there because we got to mark new holes for that guy.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so we've got our screw right here. I'm just going to put a mark equal to this screw. So if you can see it there, I put a red mark equal to this screw. So when I turn this guy, it's not hard to turn. Well, now I say that. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Okay, almost got it to that one. So the question is, which way would we go? I think I'm going to turn it. Wow. Maybe the back side's just not loose enough. Yeah, okay, it just wasn't loose enough. That's why it was so tight. Okay, a 1/4 turned, and I'm now facing the other screw. So we're going to tighten this sucker back down. And then we have to run the head all the way back, all the way forward. We're going to see what we got. Before I move it, I want to get in there and measure, see where we're at. And I have a picture of it, but I'm gonna try to get some numbers. We're gonna need a piece of paper and a way to, and something to write it down with. So our problem was our barrel was not centered on the tip. It was not centered just perfect. It was off by approximately 1/8 of an inch. And what that does is it crashes into the mold and it dents the nozzle. But then when you go to shoot, you end up shoving plastic out the side of the nozzle inside by the barrel instead of into the mold. All right. Okay. All right, so I got to get inside, measure it. All right, I'll let you run the pencil and paper there. Wow. We're really way off. So if I measure, I think I may want to back this nozzle up. If I measure here, this thing's dead, isn't it?
I think so. I never had it on, so.
All right. Say 1/10 of an inch, so everything's inches, 0.9, I guess, or, well, we got millimeters here. We got 20, right there, 22 millimeters on that side. Wow, this side is going to be much, much smaller. I can't get in there. What do we got here? We got 17 and a half millimeters. I didn't think we moved it that much, but boy, we did. Okay, so we're gonna run it all the way back and all the way forward. Now I'm gonna stop it, the tip at here, so we can actually get better measurements. Holy cow. All right, close everything. All right, so now we're retreating the nozzle. You're gonna get it on this side. You can see the whole thing moving back. It's hard to tell, it moves slow, but it is moving. We're at 11, 12, 13, make it 17, 17 and change, 17 and a half or something. All right, 17,726. Okay, that's what it looks like up in there. All right, now we're just gonna run it all the way forward again. So put it in mold set mode. I'm gonna run it all the way forward. And then I'm gonna run it back. Motor off. Cool. All right. Tell what time it is.
5 till.
5 till. Okay. Cool. Let's see if I can be good here.
I don't know if that's a thing you know how to do.
Oh. Okay, center to the ring is on the left side is 1.95 inches. The other side, oh man, we're off a lot, is 2.15. Okay, so let's lock this down. I guess we go like this. It's not to the exact center, but it's to the opposite edge. Okay, I don't know if you can see there. Now we're a 1/4 inch off the other way. So a 1/4 turn shoved us a long ways off. So maybe we go back to where we were and we do it much less than a 1/4 turn. So we do it maybe a 1/16 of a turn or something. Or if we divide it into, not 16, if we divide it into 4 quadrants of a quadrant, that'd be a 16th. We turn it 1/16 of a turn, which would be 1/4 of what we did. Oh, all right. You can shoot the machine for the moment as I try to climb out.
That's all I've been doing, trying to save you embarrassment.
Nothing like seeing a whale flop around.
I was gonna say walrus, but that seemed not polite.
Yeah, walrus, they can
Exactly. I mean,
fairly
you
well.
got out, so
Okay, so let's all right, we gotta loosen this guy back up. These guys have to become very loose. Okay, back to where we were. Let's try it right there. Okay. Motor on, manual, all the way in retract. So much. I know you didn't touch. Okay, let's. Okay. Motor off. Disconnect.
I can already tell it's not.
Oh. Can you?
Yeah.
I think we're back the other direction. So we're somewhere between those 2 points that we were trying. Oh, I don't know. It looks good. It looks pretty good. Okay, we'll measure here to the outside. I don't think we're there, but boy, it looks better than it did. Okay, we're 1 point. Oh, I think we're right at center to the edge is 50 centimeters. Swapping on you. Oh, wow. Well, we are 52 centimeters. Millimeters. Yeah. 50.2. It's 51. That's 51. So we are, man, we are so close. Okay, that's center of the tip to the very edge of the ring is 50 millimeters. This way is 50. Yeah, I think it's 53 millimeters. Okay, so 53 on the left side, 50 on the right. 53 on the left, 50 on the right. So we need to, so we turned it 1/4 of what we originally did. So it'd be 1/16 around. So I think if we do another 1/16 of 1/4 of one turn, we should be good. Well, at least that's the direction we're gonna go. I don't know if we're gonna be good or not. Oh. Making holes bigger. Or the guy going through the hole smaller.
Some parts are easier than others.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Just loosen them all up again. Here, Bill. Nobody thought this funny. Tough crowd. Okay, so we're gonna call that straight out between the two. Oh, all right. I think we're there. All right, let's do it all again. Motor on. Manual mode. Nozzle retreat. 6 inches. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.726. All right, all the way forward. There's 2 inches. Put it in manual or in mold set. Gonna run it all the way forward. It's gonna give us an error because it didn't do a touch, but it zeroed out. Well, it didn't error. Okay, let's back it out. There we go. All right, we're at 2 inches. Motor off. Okay, millimeters, we're going to go to center. We are at 51. Oh man. We're at 52.
That's right.
52 on the left.
Oh, okay.
50. Boy, it's hard to tell.
Do we need to pause and find a battery?
No, I don't have any more batteries. So I'm going to say I'm gonna say 50 again. It just doesn't. If we go to the outside of that ring, maybe that'd be easier. The ring is consistent all the way around. So the ring, the edge of the ring on that 1/2 inch tip is 60. On the right is 60. It's like 61.5 millimeters. This side, it just, maybe it can't quite get in there. It's 62.5. 62.5 on the left. What did I say? 61.5 on the right.
You're saying 50.
Well, to the tip it is. I was going to the outside.
Oh.
So if we go to the tip to the center, we're at 50. It's got a little piece of plastic in there. It's in the way. These calipers, they are not much anymore. I'm going to say 51 millimeters on the right. Man, that is just so close.
Yeah, really a millimeter off.
We're approximately 1 millimeter difference. So if we loosen it up, and we literally did half of what we've done before, we're at, instead of 1/4 turn, we're at 1/8 of a turn right now. And if we added in another half of a quarter of a quarter, it would turn. Do what?
Can you even turn that small bit?
Well, it's, yeah, I mean, in reality, we're twisting it approximately 1/4 of an inch around. If we do that approximately 1/4 inch around, man, we ought to be right there. Let's see what it is top to bottom. So we're 51. I think it looks like 50. We're 51. I think, man, we are so close. Looks like it's approximately 51.5 millimeters from the center of the tip to the inside of the outer ring.
So you think that's good, or you think it needs more adjustment?
I think we ought to try to get it just right there. The dent in the tip of this thing was where it hit the mold. And that was off, gosh, that was off 1/4 inch. 30. Oh my. Holy cow, is it really off that much? We hit there. We were off 6 millimeters. We were off 6 millimeters, and we're down to 1 millimeter. Okay, let's do it again. Oh. All right. So we're.
My arms are being really tired.
Oh.
All the blood is leaving my hands.
Man, I thought we were going to be there on this one. Okay, come over here so you can see me move the red line. I haven't turned it yet. Got a good view?
Yeah.
We're gonna do that. Doesn't seem like much, but we got a 0.5 millimeter to move. I'm hoping that isn't too much. Pull that back one up. Do it all to last. All right. There we are.
Thanks so much.
Okay, we still recording?
Yes,
All right, boy, it's a long video.
it is.
Motor on.
I should let you know it's 10:20.
Oh, okay. All right, we gotta quit here in a second. All right, we're gonna retract this. We gotta. That computer shut itself down?
It's just sleeping.
Okay. We need to make sure TeamViewer is running on it also. All right, 17.726, all the way forward.
Does it have a microphone and speakers and stuff?
No,
How does the Zoom
we'll have to do it on phone. Okay, tip, right side. Gosh, that's hair over. It's 51 and change. What do we got on this side? Center. Man, we're 51. We're like 1.5 millimeters off still. Holy cow, how did we did that and it didn't make a difference. We're 51 and a half, and here we're 50. We're still a millimeter and a half off. That is 51. Good solid 51. This is 51.5. We're off by 1/2 millimeter. We're close enough.
Thank goodness. I don't know how much more you can get at this point.
Well, I mean, we keep tweaking it. We know our upper and our lower. But I think we're within a 1/2 millimeter, maybe 3/4 of a millimeter difference. So it's much better than the 5 or 6 millimeters we were off originally.
Very much.
All right, fantastic. Well, we still got some of that new goo in there. All right, well let me climb out of this thing and we'll call it a wrap.
Trying not to.
All right, so back around over here. We've got our nozzle set up, and our whole problem was the nozzle tip was not hitting our mold. This is the first mold in this machine, and so this is basically a new machine. And so that's where we come up with these problems at. This little ball joint, there's one on each side. We only changed one of the two sides, and it looks like we were able to successfully get this thing set exactly where we wanted. All right, that's it. Oh, here, shoot a picture of the machine. The model number. Perfect. Call it quits.